Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap products from Etsy and save them as CSV, and also how you can import those products from that CSV into WooCommerce store. So here is my WooCommerce website with some products already added. There are approximately 70 products with projectors, LEDs, and all other electronics. So I want to scrap products. For example, I want to scrap bags from Etsy. So just search for bags, and here is my search. You can also add some filters like category, person, bags here. So this filter I want to add only. Okay, now let's go to a website called scrapanywebsitedata.com, and here scroll down and click on Etsy. Okay, now you do not see any scrapping fields here yet, and you must open this website on Google Chrome browser. So click on download Chrome extension and add this extension to your Chrome browser first. Once the Chrome browser extension is added, just close this tab and refresh this one, and then you will see these two fields, which are the extension fields. Okay, now go to Etsy and copy that search URL along with this category path as well. So just paste it here and click on get product URLs from listing page. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will show you if it found any products, single products, and the single products URLs will be listed in this field. We have found 64 unique URLs. Now scroll down and click on start scrap. Okay, it will open the products in new tab one by one, and will get the title, the images, everything on this page into the scrapper like this. It will list them here. One product, and then it will get all these products one by one. You should open this page and wait for it. It will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes to completely scrap all these products, because those are almost 60 plus products. Each product will take approximately 5 to 6 seconds, or maybe less if you have a good internet connection. But sometimes, even if you have a good internet, the website still slows down and the products are coming one by one. Okay, we have all these products coming. Once all this is done and it's finished, you will see a notification that it's finished. After that, you just have to click on this generate CSV. But please remember that once all these are completed, only then you should click on generate CSV. I'm doing it now because I do not need all these products, and I can close the scrapper here and stop the process. Okay, click on generate CSV, and it will give me a CSV URL. Click on get CSV and save in your downloads folder, and let's open to see if the data is there. Okay, we have SKU, title, short description, image URL, description, and original URL. We also have the price, but with some extra text in it. Okay, so let's go to your WooCommerce store. In the dashboard, click on products, all products, and on all products page, you have this import button. Click on import. and choose the file we just downloaded, and do not choose this checkbox and click on continue. Okay, now the mapping part, the SKU already goes into SKU. These are the CSV headings and these are the WooCommerce headings. So title or CSV title will go into the name of the product, short description into short description, image URL will go into images. We have to choose it here, and description goes in description, price into regular price, and tags into tags. Just click on run importer and go to all products page. We previously had 63 products here, and after completing this, we should have these four more products. Okay, now refresh this. It should be 74 products. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 more products. Okay, now let's view this product on front end and see if everything is there. Okay, we have the high quality image of the product, we have the title of the product, the price. You can also add the category column and add the word bags or custom bags to that category name, product details, some short description, the SKU, and the description. So you can see it automatically removed the extra text into the price and added only the number 55.98, and it's 55.98. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.